Chinese and South Korean.
Annyeonghaseyo. I am Leo Marie Gillie and I will share to you my discoveries and we will travel to South Korea. So, let's go! First, where is South Korea located? South Korea is a small peninsula located between China and Japan. I will give you some information about South Koreans' cultures and traditions. Historically, Chinese and Japanese influences were seen in South Korean arts. Confucianism, Buddhism, and Christianity are the main religions in Korea. Buddhism is a religion in Korea with the most followers, and its teachings have a great impact in Korean lifestyle, culture, and art. Yungdrung is a main symbol of Korean Buddhism and can be found in all temples and religious places in Korea. Koreans believe in sincerity and loyalty and follow certain codes of conduct while meeting, eating, praying, and even celebrating. At times, when many other cultures would shake hands, Korean bow. They bow as a sign of respect and gratitude to the person they are meeting. Korean cuisine is based on rice, vegetables, and meat. And kimchi is the national dish and is eaten with most meal. The family unit is an integral part customs and life in Korea. I have also prepared 10 interesting facts about South Korea. South Korean men love makeup, spending close to $900 million a year, or a quarter of the world's men cosmetics. Up to 20% of the male Korean population is reported to use makeup regularly. Did you know that red ink is considered bad luck in South Korea? Writing person's name in the color signifies the person is dead or will die soon. South Korea is one of the technologically advanced countries and the educational standards are high. This is the birthplace technology company of LG and Samsung. Another fact in South Korea is that the number 4 is considered bad luck, as it written the same way as the Chinese character death. The number is often replaced with letter F, such as when using the elevator. Another fact is, when you are visiting a home in South Korea, always remove your shoes before entering a Korean home. To any less is a sign of great disrespect. Koreans have a special relationship with their floor, on which they sit and often sleep. 30% of South Koreans do not follow any religion. One of the unique facts about South Koreans is that when they born, they are automatically 1 year old. One explanation is that people think it's because the baby is in the mother's womb for 9 months, which is about 1 year. Only in specific situations are allowed to call someone by their first name. Don't leave a tip. It's just not done here. In fact, it's sometimes considered an insult because in Korea, the only workers who summarily receive tips are strippers. The Gangnam Style by Psy, a South Korean musician, achieved worldwide fame in 2012. The song refers to the Gangnam district of Seoul, a trendy, classy area equated with London, Paris, and Hollywood.
This time, we're not anymore in South Korea. Let's proceed to Maldives. Hold your bet as Jalian and I tour you to Maldives. Origin. The earliest written history of the Maldives is marked by the arrival of Sinhalese people who were descended from the exiled Magadha Prince Vijaya from the ancient city known as Sinapura in northeast India. He and his party of several hundred landed in Sri Lanka and some in the Maldives circa 543 to 483 BC. Population. Maldives 2020 population is estimated at 540,544 people at mid-year according to UN data. Maldives population is equivalent to 0.01% of the total world population. Religion. The Constitution states the country is a republic based on the principles of Islam and designates Islam as the state religion, which it defines in terms of Sunni teachings. It states citizens have a duty to preserve and protect Islam. According to the Constitution, non-Muslims may not obtain citizenship. Culture. Steeped in rich culture and tradition, the Maldives culture is heavily shaped by Indian, Sri Lankan, Malaysia, Arab, Persian, Indonesian, and even African influences. Maldivians are incredibly warm, welcoming, and friendly people who will go above and beyond to make your holiday truly unforgettable. Maldives music and dance. Boduberu. Boduberu is one of the most popular forms of folk music and dance that is found in the inhabited islands of Maldives. Bandiya Jehun. Bandiya Jehun is a popular dance form that takes place in the Maldives island. Some are Bolimalafat Neshu, Dandi Jehun, Fatiganda Jehun. These are some great tourist spots in Maldives. Sun Island for sparkling beaches, Banana Reef for a great diving experience, Artificial Beach for action-packed water sports, HP Reef for corals and caves, Veliganda Island Beach for boundaries green landscapes, Barros Island for sun-kissed beaches. Beliefs and traditions. Islam is the predominant religion in Maldives, with Maldivians celebrating Muslim festivals and following the Islamic calendar. When visiting local islands, we request that women keep their shoulders and knees covered in order to respect the local culture.
Maldives equatorial sunlight. Beware of the sun in Maldives. A very high sun protection is a must-have. Located close to the equator, Maldives receive high amount of sun rays. Almost direct, they strike at a 90 degrees angle. Maldives whale sharks. The world's biggest fish has its official sanctuaries in Maldives, with 3 places along the archipelago. The Maldives are one of the few places on Earth where whale sharks can be encountered all year round. Maldives Dhoni shapes. The shape of the famous traditional Maldivian boat, the Dhoni, might have been inspired from the ancient Arabian sailing dhow, commonly used as trading ship in Indian Ocean around the 11th century. Maldives coins and money. Cowrie shells can be found by millions in Maldives. They were used as units of money during medieval times. This is why nowadays shells commonly ornate Maldivian coins. Maldives coral houses. Maldivians used to build their houses in coral. This traditional housing is now forbidden since coral reefs are worldwide protected. Many coral houses still can be seen in Male and local islands.
So here's the culture of Israel. Israel's culture is deeply rooted in the Jewish religion. In Israel, there are many Jewish immigrants from several different countries. So as a result, Israel has a dynamic, creative, and diverse culture. The holidays and festivals are also based on the Hebrew calendar. Much of the diversity in Israel's culture comes from the diversity of its population. So, originating in the Levant and around the world, immigrants arrived with the diverse cultural backgrounds and contributed to the development of Israeli culture, which follows cultural trends and changes across the globe. Israeli culture also reflects Jewish history in the diaspora, especially the ideology of the Zionist movement beginning in the late 19th century. Here's the history of Israel. The land of Israel, also known as the Holy Land or Palestine, is the birthplace of the Jewish people, the place where the final form of the Hebrew Bible is thought to have been compiled, and the birthplace of Judaism and Christianity. It contains sites sacred to Judaism, Samaritanism, Christianity, Islam, Druze, and the Baha'i faith. Facts about Israel country. Israel is the only country in the world that has more trees today than it had 50 years ago. Israel has more museums per capita than any other country, including the world's only one underwater. The voicemail technology was developed in Israel. Israel is also home to the world's only theater company comprised entirely of deaf and blind actors. Israel developed the technology that allowed for the original cell phone. Israel is the only country to have a sacred language, Hebrew, as the national tongue. In Israel, became the first country to prohibit the use of underweight models in fashion shows. And do you know that despite the tough neighborhood they live in, numerous studies rank Israelis among the happiest people among Western nations.
Jerusalem, the ancient city, holds deep religious significance for all those of the monastic faiths in the old district that are packed with religious sites and mind-boggling history. The Dead Sea in Israel, it is the lowest point on the earth and one of the world's most wacky natural wonders. The Dead Sea is the mineral-rich and overly sea where no one can see.
Thank you for watching.